Hello everyone, my name is Anshay Rao from Informatica Global Customer Support, and the topic for today's presentation is Feature Attribute Match Job. So the agenda for today's presentation is that we will first understand the relationship between structure features and the item or a product attributes, which will be followed by what is a feature attribute match job and why is it needed. And this will be followed by a quick demonstration where we'll see what exactly happens. The features are created at structure level, which will be assigned to different structure groups. Now, when items are assigned to these structure groups, the features will be passed on to the items or products as item attributes or product attributes. One important thing to note here is that the features will be converted into attributes only for primary and secondary maintenance structure. For output maintenance structure, the features will not be converted into attributes. So, to understand what a attribute match job is, consider this scenario. After assigning a few items to a structure group, we have the features of the structure group mapped to that particular item as an attribute. Now, consider we have made any changes at the feature level. For this, the already existing item to that structure group will reflect the changes only when the feature attribute match job will be run. And for the newly created items or products in that structure group, these changes will be already taken care by the product itself. We will know more about this in the demo section. So let's quickly jump into the demo part. So what we will do is, first we will go to the perspective and open structures perspective. Now here in the structure view, we will open the structure system. For now, I will be using the initial primary maintenance structure, and let us create a demo structure group called A. And I'll have structure features, or let me have only one structure feature, and I'll drag this and drop it to structure group A. Now, as mentioned in the presentation, if I go to this structure group and say I assign a few items or add a few items to the structure group, whatever the scenario may be. Now if I open the item attributes view, I can see that when the item is assigned or created in the structure group, the attributes will automatically be assigned to that particular structure group. So all these, they will have attribute as A. Okay. Now consider I go back to the structure group and I make a change called, I'll directly change the structure feature from A to A1. Now once I make this change, if you see, the feature group list is automatically renamed to be A1. Okay, but when I go to the structure system, everything here still points to A, and even if I refresh it, it will still be pointing to A. However, if I create a new item, it will point to A1, but still the previous items will be pointing to A. So in order to have the changes which are done at the feature level to be reflected at the already existing items of the structure level, what we will do is we will run a feature attribute match job. So from here, if we run it, we will be able to see it in the process overview as well. So if I select execution as immediately and run this, if I go to the corresponding process in the process overview, it is running and it's completed. So if I show the logs, it says that 8 items have been successfully processed. So it will process all the items present in the structure system. And now if I go in that structure group, I can see that all the items are pointing towards A1. So to summarize everything that we have just discussed, the feature attribute match job is used to have the structure features, the updated structure features to the already existing items of the structure group. The match job runs on all the items which are present in the structure groups and updates the changes according to the changes made at the feature level. And the feature attribute match job would only be available for primary and secondary maintenance structure. As for the output maintenance structure, we do not have the structure features converting into item or product attributes. Um, so that's all for this presentation. We would love to hear from you. In order to give any inputs, you can reach out to us at either via mail using supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can reach out to us on Twitter, going to twitter.com/informatica support or info support. Thank you so much for your time.